we have here contestant number 7. Ako, pogi naman. What's your name?
Champions Picasso.
How old are you po?
5.
5 years old? Grabe naman. Ba't yung mga baby boy, yung mga mahaba ang pin... Ay, pero so. Pero anong gagawin mo ngayon? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna sing? Are you gonna dance? Dance? Ready ka na? Ready na! Palakpakan po natin! Contestant! Wala. Ayan na naman po. Okay. May maling information na naman. Kakanta daw, sabi ni Mami. Kanta. Binadaan mo ako sa ngiti eh. Halika dito. Sabi ni Mommy, you're gonna sing. Are you gonna sing? It's a no. Mommy! Oh, naku, mukhang dance. Pag dance, anong gusto mong sayawin?
Maganda.
Maganda. Oh, sa bagay, gusto ko rin yung ganun eh. Nasayaw, no? Maganda. Pero paano ba ito, Mami? Ano ba? Sing lang? Alam niya na gagawin niya, no? Oh, wala tayong magawa. Sabi ng mama mo. Oh, wala ako dyan. Oh, sige na. Galingan mo, ha? Good job. Halika na. Once again, everybody, palakpakan po natin contestant number 7.
Tonight, stay here by my side. Coming on the side. Falling now, one more time. I need you now by my side. Set me up and turn me down. I barely feel until I run. I'm sorry for leaving and once you finish me, I know that you're not alone. I get me, I'm sorry. I know that it's easy. Don't tell me that you love gone, that you love gone.
Wow! Oh, diba? Pwede naman pala yun eh. Bigay ka lang yung mic no. Alam na nila. Thank you so much. Ang galing-galing mo naman. Palakpakan po natin contestant number 7.